Cork is natural, lightweight, and sustainable material taken from cork oak tree that can be reused can bottles, stoppers, or cork sheets to make beautiful crafts. Wall decor, craft ideas with cork, wall decors, cork boards, wall hangings, and patterned wall tiles, mini planters, cute succulents, holders, or table decoration. Coaster and traverse, heat resistance, and stylish designs. Jewelry, earrings, bracelet, or pendants from cork sheets. Keychains and mini toys, fun and creative shapes. Wreaths, combine corks with jute fabric or flowers. Bottle decoration, wrap bottles, or create cork stopper art. So, eco-friendly recycle use bottle cork reducing waste. Budget-friendly, easily available, low-cost material. Creative and versatile, can be cut, shaped, or painted easily. Mindful activity. Crafting with cork promotes relaxation and focus. Gift worthy. Handmade cork items make thoughtful, rustic gifts. Home aesthetics. Adds a natural, rustic, and cozy touch to decor. So, do you want more designs like this? More ideas like this? We will definitely try to upload what you want to watch. So, variations of cork craft. You can make many things with these like wreath, trees. I try to upload many types of ideas. DIY cork craft ideas, eco-friendly handmade home and holiday decor. Creative cork crafts projects, rustic DIY wall table and gift ideas. Recycle bottles, cork crafts, unique handmade decor and benefits. Rustic cork craft DIY budget-friendly creative handmade projects. Eco-friendly cork art and craft, sustainable DIY home decorations ideas, mindful cork craft, relaxing handmade projects and benefits. Handmade cork DIY, rustic coasters, wreath, and wall decor ideas. So descriptions we are want to give you describe. So give a second life to bottle cork with the creative cork crafts DIY projects, from rustic coaster and wreath to mini planters, jewelry, and wall decor. Cork crafting, eco-friendly, budget-friendly, and full creative fun. Perfect for home decorations, handmade gifts, and mindful weekend activities. Discover the beauty of recycled cork crafts. These sustainable DIY projects include rustic, home decor, cork coaster keychains, wreath, and unique handmade gifts. Learn the benefits of cork crafting, from mindfulness and creativity to eco-variations livings. Don't throw away wine corks. Turn them into amazing crafts with a little creativity. You can design elegant wall decor, festive wreath, festive decoration, and even jewelry. Cork crafting is simple, affordable, and a mindful activity for all ages. Handmade with love, cork crafts projects add a rustic and cozy touch to your home. Explore eco-friendly DIY ideas like cork boards, planters, coasters, and holiday decoration. Enjoy the benefits of crafting, creativity, relaxation, and sustainability. Thank you for joining me today. We are trying to show you that amazing creation, and hope you like these designs and ideas. We will try to upload definitely best projects arts ideas, our channel related to arts, and we are trying the best project ideas. Thank you so much for watching. Here is the best part of craft. So today we have shown the world of cork craft, simple, eco-friendly, and incredibly versatile DIY projects you can do right at home. Whether it's bottle craft, course saved from the kitchen, and cork sheets you have collected, these little pieces can be transformed into beautiful home decor, homemade and gifts, and even mindful craft therapy. So grab your cocoa and some glue and a sprinkle of creativity. Let's begin. Make your project a start. God bless you all. Keep crafting. Thank you so much for joining me today. We are trying the best ideas of making different types of things like pop stick, cork craft, paper craft, and X-Max ornaments. Very beautiful ideas we are trying to give you.